Everyone, it's Pam, and I want to give you a quick tip today. Okay, I was working on my YouTube uh, mock-up thumbnail thing, and so I show you something that just helps. It's just a little tip, just a little one. Okay, I'm not going to show you anything totally amazing, but hey. Okay, so these are graphics. Um, this one, yeah, they're all graphics. This is a copy of an affirmation I made, and so they're just kind of there, okay? But I kind of want to make this, a little bit, I don't know, prettier, cuter, useful, whatever, that will stop people and go, oh, I need to check that video out. So, all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to go here to edit. It's the menu right above. I'm going to go down to shadows right here. It's free. You can use it. All right. And this is where you can put in a couple different shadows. Like if we want this to glow or drop or outline or curved or page lift, angled, and then a backdrop. Okay, so there's a couple of them here. I think this one would do better with either a curved drop or that page lift. I think we'll just go for the drop or the curved. Let's do drop for now. This one we can do, let's do the backdrop and see if it will. Yeah, that's not, it won't because it's showing that. So let's do curved, drop, page lift, angled, outline. Okay. Let's go curved on that one. Let me just do glow. Okay, and then this one, edit, go down to effects, efox, and we can do glow, drop, outline, angled, page lift, curved, backdrop. Ooh, backdrop might be good on that one, right? Because it's just a flat thing. Okay, and then this one, same thing. Edit. Okay, let's see here. Drop on that one, I bet. Yeah, that looks good. All right. I'm thinking I need to do the drop on this one too. That okay, so it gives it a little bit more depth. Um, I think I'll do that one and then drop on that one. Okay, so it just kind of lifts it up a bit. That's perfectly fine. Now, this right here, I might want to try to change up the colors and see it pops up that I possibly can. So let's see just how much I can. Oh, I don't, I like that. I like that color better. Okay. And then this one, don't like that. Let's see here. There's only the pink on here. So let's see what it does when I do white. Yeah, no. Just be careful, and when you have to undo something, just go up here to the arrow and it'll undo it for you. Okay, so I feel like it pops a little bit more. Okay, and then down here, if I want this to pop, I'm going to go to effects, take off the outline that I had on there, and put in this, which works. You know what? I'm going to take that off. I don't like how it separates like that, so I'm going to go over to Elements, and I'm going to go button. Okay, and I have Pro, so I can use any of them. Okay, so just adding that little element kind of makes it pop a little bit more. But if you don't like that, like I might just pick a color, might be too colorful. So let me just go back to that and just pick one color. So I'm just going to pick, oh, there we go, yellow. Or if I want to pick from the picture, I go up here, pick that. Let's see here, what else? I think I'll just do that color. Okay, so make sure you use the shadows, and remember how to get to it is edit and shadows right there. Okay, thank you very much.